Okay. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good afternoon, Miss Fitri, and good afternoon, everyone. We are from Group 6, and we will present our report, assignment on analysis of transportation use of Surabaya State University student to campus. Before starting today's presentation, allow me to introduce my group members. Starting with me, my name is Terisha Setyakaraja, NIM 286, and my friend Saril Huda Zakianto, NIM 254, Yolanda Anindya Mutiara Kasti, NIM 257, Eva Marwa, NIM 265, and Cantika Fitri Mufida, NIM 272. In the first section, we will discuss the abstract of our research analysis. This project includes an analysis of student transportation used to campus. In this project, the most effective and efficient means of transportation will be selected for students to travel to campus. Conduct research on factors that influence student choice of means of transportation such as route distance, cost, and time. The method in writing this article used a literature study based on the result of the analysis. Relevant data was obtained through the questionnaire distributed. For the next part will be explained by my friend.
Definition of transportation in the book Introduction to Transportation written by Siti Fatima. Transportation is the most important factor in the development of a country, where transportation is one of the cornerstones of economics and social development and the growth of industrialization, where the development of transportation will encourage economic activity and the development of a region or country. Transportation is meant to play a role in human life, but for the continuity of interaction between humans, as well as a tool to facilitate humans in moving goods from one place to another. Social life activities are vital of human existence as a group society. The existence of this community activity requires educate, supporting tools or facility. According to Adi Sasmita, transportation is a means of connecting and linking production areas and market, or it can be seen as an expansion of production area and market, or often also considered as a bridge between product and consumer market. The role of transportation is very important, especially as a means of connecting and strengthening the relationship between parties who need each the other.
Methodology. The method used in the methodology used in this research is method by collecting data using questionnaires from respondents. The questionnaires contain a series of questions given to respondents. The subject of this research are Surabaya State University. Finding the results showed that of the 27 respondents, most of the respondents used private vehicles to get to campus. Respondents who live for campus using a motorcycle were 74.1%. 20 people respondents who live for campus using ojol were 3.7%. 1 people, and respondents who left for campus on foot were 22.2%, 6 people. The questionnaires also asked the respondent reason for the answer to the question. The following are the reasons of some respondents who commute using private vehicles. Next.
Respondent reason why respondents choose private vehicles. Number one, many of the Surabaya State University student commutes because the distance between home and campus is far and faster than using public transportation. They decide to use private vehicles. Number two, a small part of Surabaya State University students is to save transportation costs because if they use an online motorcycle taxi, the expenses insured will be more than the live using a private vehicle. Number three, Surabaya State University students do use private vehicles such as motorbikes as their regular transportation. Next, however, there are also Surabaya State University students who use online motorcycle taxi as their transportation to campus. This is due to several things, one of which is that none takes them to campus. However, there are also Surabaya State University students who choose to walk to campus. This is because the distance between their residence and the campus is close and they think the walking can be healthy. And also there are students who do not achieve driver license. Discussions in an article entitled Why Private Vehicles Continue to Grow, written by Dwi Ardianta Kurniawan, almost all people in Indonesia use types of transportation in the form of private vehicles such as bicycles, motorbikes, and cars where the growth of the community has a stable economy or income level which results in them being able to own a private vehicle. Private vehicles are also profit more efficient, like an accessibility or easy of getting to the destination in the daily activities of the community toward traveling from their place of origin or home to their destination. In this era of globalization, many transportation conveniences are inevitable. This means that transportation industry also benefits from the growing technological advance. It can be seen that air and land transportation are growing rapidly and are used by the public as a tool for activities. Land transportation has a negative impact on road traffic flow as follows. Number one, congestion. Number two, noise. Number three, accidents.
Questionnaire result diagram. The following is the evidence we obtained from the questionnaire result related to the research conducted. As explained in the findings section, motorcycle users as a means of transportation. Next. Mm, Next. Conclusion. Based on this feature, these can have an impact on traffic problems, such as congestion caused by the number of vehicles users, who increase every year but are not balanced or in accordance with road capacity, and noise due to the sound emitted by vehicles on land transportation make noise population as well as causing accidents due to the increasing transportation needs of the population. Vehicle users who do not obey the rules or human error, root facilities that do not support, and features that do not function properly. So, to overcome these problems, the entire community as road users and related officials as traffic security guards must function to improve. Okay, that's all the presentation from Group 6, more or less. Please and thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.